Many industrial sectors in which final products are treated and protected with different paint coats have to ensure high-quality controls of their products. Automatic painting processes are normally performed without stopping the production process, with the product moving and passing through the different phases. Paint defects appear in several variations of the optimum conditions because of different causes such as manufacturing mistakes, temperature variation and other sources, and show the surface alterations in the layer. Car bodies may have paint defects which must be detected and eliminated at the polishing lines before being delivered to the final customer. This action is usually performed by plant operators who have to search, detect and repair all defects found. This non-systematic and subjective process, which tires the operator out, is a source of errors that prevents a high level of quality in manufactured products. The solution is quality control based on artificial vision. ICEMI, Automated Inspection System for the Detection of Impurities and Paint Defects. After years of research, a computer vision system has been developed to solve the problem. It is materialized as an inspection tunnel, composed of a mobile lighting structure swipes on a constant speed over the entire car body, while high-resolution cameras are acquiring images. The computer vision system has a set of high-resolution cameras running 15 frames per second. About 1,000 images per vehicle are used to combine a three-dimensional model for quality comparison. The defect detection software implements sophisticated computer vision algorithms in stages of pre-processing, segmentation, feature extraction, classification and detection. These algorithms can detect 100% of paint defects. Any imperfection in a surface is perceived as a problem in the final quality of the vehicle. In this phase, defects are classified according to quality control criteria, which represent errors by using colors, size, and other characteristics. Finally, all defects are shown to operators on LCD screens, so operators can locate them quickly and focus on repairing critical defects first, and the smaller ones afterwards. Since 2009, our system has been installed at many plants around Europe and North America. The benefits are obvious. With the automatic inspection system, operator stress and continuous exposure to lighting are reduced to a minimum, and they have 90% of their time to focus on polishing the vehicle. By doing this, all possible defects subject to customer complaints are eliminated within working stations, thereby increasing final product quality and client satisfaction.